In this video, I'm going to show you how to translate page in operagx. So first off, just go to Chrome Web Store. Once you're in this Chrome Web Store, Google Translate won't work in operagx. Therefore, we have to go search page translate. And as you can see, if deep translate will appear in your section, just click it. And once you're in here, just add this to Opera, add extension. And after that, just take your mother language and click continue. And wipe in icon, please refer on the right and then continue. So we just have to follow its steps, as you can see here, and we have to continue. And please try translating the page on the right. So we have to um try to translate the page. As you can see here, just click this icon, and this is English. We can also choose if we go to OpenAI, Google Translate, or Bing Translate. It depends on you. It has many options right here, and it depends on you. What would you choose? So for me, this is English, right? So I have to change it in Irish, or let's say Italian. Now, if you click this, translate or Alt A, you can also check this to always translate this site. So it depends on you. Just translate, and as you can see here, it will translate. Not most of them, but it will translate. And you could also use that icon or extension in any site.